I went to qualified specialists to assess the condition of the suspension. I received valuable instructions. It was time to change the rear axle beam bushings of the Opel Zafira. The more you search, the more you find. It turns out that the shock absorber strut dust cover is also rusted and has fallen off. When you have the opportunity to study many YouTube tutorials and learn from the mistakes of others, it's easier to work. These mounting bolts are really easy to unscrew. That was a concern. The only bolt that broke was the brake line mount. It could be successfully drilled out and replaced with another bolt. At first glance, it seems that the bushing is not damaged. But when the metal part can be easily removed with your fingers, you understand where the looseness came from. And with common construction tools, the bushings are easily pressed out. Time for new ones.